for those big shots to end the innings on a high. He'll go again, I'm sure. Here we go. This time he'll go for 4 inside edge. Sweep shot attempted. He'll raise his bat to his mates, to the fans here. Pakistani flag is fluttering because Nawaz has got a 50. Second 50 for him in ODIs.
Yeah, what a time to do it. With his team in all kinds of trouble. He's played a magnificent hand under pressure here this evening. And this is going to be the test for the youngster. Maximum followed up